Definitely, everyone will want to wake up, open their cryptocurrency wallet, and see that perhaps while they slept, their money multiply, maybe by 2x, 5x, 10x, 100x, or even a 1000x. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you two altcoins that can make you money in the nearest future. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm only a crypto coin introducer. So make sure to do your own research as well, and also only invest what you can afford to lose. I'm Dan Legend, and you're welcome to Crypto Wealthy. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on what's trending in the crypto market. So the first thing you want to look at, the first among the two coins without any order of importance or priority, is Pendle Finance, and this says Liberating Future Yield. It's all about gaining the yields or earning yields on your deposits. So once you deposit, it's supposed to holders of yield generating assets can deposit these tokens into Pendle, and by doing so the user mints an ownership token, which is the OT, and that represents the underlying principal, and a yield token that represents the right to receive the yield. So users can utilize their YT in two different ways. It tells you what you can do. First, you can deposit the yield token into Pendle's AMMs to provide liquidity to Pendle, and in return fees and other incentives are given to these liquidity providers. So once you deposit, you become a liquidity provider and fees are given to you. So it's more like keeping your money, is synonymous to keeping your money in the bank and earning interest on it. That's how it works. And secondly, they can sell their YT for cash upfront, allowing them to fix the interest rate and lock in their returns immediately. So let's see how many people are holding this coin. You can see from here that we have I would like to refresh this. I've opened it quite, so we have about 1,512, and it has fallen, the number has fallen just by 0.463. so you always want to take opportunity to buy the dip. Now I'm going to look at the price chart for this token, but before I do that, I'm just going to talk about a few other things. So we have 1,500 holders, and this coin is very young. When you check the price, it was at previously 52 cents. It's now at 53, and this coin has fallen, although from the beginning, that is 11th August, it was hovering around the 40 cents, around that area, and it went as high as 1.29. Now I'm going to give my prediction at the end of the video, then we'll move on to the next coin. So stay connected while we still look at Pendle. Within 24 hours, it has had a trading volume of 1.3 million, which means that people are really heavily interested in this coin. So taking opportunity by the dip, you can come in. Also, this is not financial advice. You can come in if you want to, and always risk something minimal. You can come in to purchase Pendle, and then you are sure to have gains on your token in the future. Let's take a look at their social media. And another thing I'll have to add that is this is on Ethereum, and you can simply buy by connecting your MetaMask wallet, or by opening the Pendle app, which can be accessed from here. From here, you click on app, and then you have access to this page, and you connect your wallet. Okay, so the next thing, we are looking at social media. When you check their Twitter has 8,400 followers, and they made a very important announcement on the 9th of September. It says migrate your staked OT-PEP tokens to the new staking address. So there's a new staking address which you should take notice. So if you want more information, just join their Telegram page and then get updated info. So the new contract will now earn you both Pendle and Sushi, and this is the annual yield, the annual yield on it, which is 739%. That is 501% to Pendle, 238% Sushi. Right, so migrate here. So join their Telegram page and find out more on what is going on with this token. And then finally, my prediction for this coin at the end of the month, looking at a space of 1 month to 3 months, I'm looking at this coin reaching $2. What are your thoughts? What are your comments on this coin? Let me know what you think about this coin. Is it worth the investment? So that will be it for the first coin. Let's take a look at the second coin. And then the second coin I want to talk about is crypto.com, which is ranking among the top 50 on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, we have it here on number 35, crypto.com. Together with Quant, which I'm live streaming. You can check out Quant. It's also doing well, has risen up the ranks. But let's focus on crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto app. It says join 10 million plus users buying and selling 100 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. So they are focusing on what true cost. Spend with crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to on your crypto assets. Now you can also find this app on Play Store and an Apple App Store. So going down, it says buy crypto at true cost. And one good thing about this is that it lists other major stable coins on its platform, and it also has introduced a card, a Visa card that you can use, which is customized or branded with crypto.com. So you can see the mean business. This is serious. This is not something that is going to be rug pulled on you, or you're going to maybe encounter a scam. This is genuine. This is a genuine crypto. It says deposit crypto and rewards up to 14.5% PA on cryptos, up to 14% PA on stable coins. We go down, it's talking about trading with confidence. You can also trade on their platform and also on your mobile app. Going down, says DeFi made simple, DeFi wallet, your keys, your crypto, DeFi and no lockup period and stable returns, swap DeFi coins and earn triple yield. So they also deal with yields, just like Pendle does. And it says cryptocurrency in every wallet, founded in 2016, so it's just 5 years old at the making of this video. Has a team of 2,510 million users. So the usage or the user base is growing, and then the insurance covered is 360 million US dollars. When we take a look at the network, we realize that it's also available on the Ethereum network. One good thing about this coin is that it is still too affordable. And this is not just any coin. This is a coin that is making major sponsorships. And when you check the sponsorships, it says crypto.com extends sports sponsorships to Formula One. And this Hong Kong-based exchange has become an inaugural part of F1's new sprint format. According to an announcement on Tuesday, crypto.com's branding will be present trackside at all F1 races for the remainder of the 2021 season, starting with British Grand Prix at Silverstone on July 17. The partnership furthers crypto.com's presence at major sporting events. The exchange sponsored Italian soccer's Coppa Italia final in May. Right, they are also delving into football bit by bit, which is the most watched sport on the globe. It also signed a deal with National Hockey League team Montreal Canadiens in March. So it's going big, and it is not something, I feel it is underrated, and that is why I think it's a good buy. And we will look at the chat one more time. It has almost 1 million followers on Twitter, and they are talking. I think let me play this. Smart contracts, EVM support, instant DApp portability, built for DeFi, NFT, GameFi, Metaverse, Web3 with ETH Core Bridge and 100 million. Everything changes, right? So you can see what they are doing is brilliant. They have more videos and more things they are talking about every time on their platform. And also, you can also join their Telegram group where they give updates on how the coin is performing. Currently, they have about 112,000 holders, and there's been 737 transfers. So it's something that is growing steadily. The holders are increasing because people are seeing the coin everywhere and they are believing in it. Just a minute ago, 2 minutes ago, people are transferring, and I think you might want to jump on. What do you think about this coin? What is your future prediction. I'm looking at this coin reaching $3 in a space of about a month to about 3 months. What are your thoughts on crypto.com? I believe it has so much growth potential and the best is yet to come. Yes, so that is it for today. My 2 altcoins to watch. Subscribe to the channel and like this video if you enjoyed the content I brought to you, and also share with your friends. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. I'll see you in the next 100x video. Bye.